the matter, girls, huh? You did it, huh? Big snowstorm. Look at the snow, huh? Huh? You guys are nice and comfy in here. Yeah. You guys are nice and comfy in here. Sure. Huh? You guys are nice and comfortable. Huh? We make you comfortable. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be cold tonight, girls. Got a nice warm coop. Huh? I'm gonna trade some scratch in your coop for you. Yeah. I know. 5 eggs today. Blizzard 2018. 5 eggs from these 6 girls. Totally amazing. I got one going into a molt. She's molted. See the new feathers coming in? Huh? Those are all new feathers coming in on her. Sometimes you wonder why they do that in the winter, but I guess nature knows what they're doing. See the new feathers? Huh? That's all new feathers. You're gonna be pretty. Huh? It's a slow molt though, that's a good thing. Yeah, she didn't shed all her feathers. Just a little bit around her neck. And she's got all pin feathers coming in, see? It's a good girl. A good girl. Huh? It's a good girl, yeah. Let's see how you doing. Let me see how. Let me see. Okay.